Hello again. It is February 16th, and you know what it's time for, Displays? It's time to take a look at the real estate market and see what's been happening since February 1st. There's definitely been an increase in activity, which to me means if you're considering selling, we should really be talking. So let's take a look at what's been happening in Displays. As of February 1st, 2024, 20 brand new listings have come on the market. That's single family homes. We'll deal with condos in a minute, but single family homes, 20 have come on the market as new. Now, the biggest piece of this is of those 20, 9 are already under contract. So that's really saying in really 2 weeks or less, 9 homeowners have seen offers very quickly on their properties. And then overall, since February 1st in Displays with single family homes, 11 total properties have gone on the market, meaning that they were on the market before February 1st, a little bit longer market times. And exciting, our listing was one of those 11 as well. So congratulations to our sellers on accepting an offer. The price range for the single family home properties that are currently under contract in Displays is anywhere between $195 is the lowest price to $669. So we're not even seeing a focus on a certain price point that is seeing really quick market times. So now let's take a look at condos and townhomes. Since February 1st, 27 new listings have come on the market that are either condos or townhomes. And then, 27 are under contract. 27 are under contract. 14 are new listings. So condos and townhomes have seen 14 new listings come on, and then 27 have gone under contract since February 1st, meaning that some of them had longer market times than 2 weeks. So it is definitely showing signs of the market waking up. And again, there's no calendar date. It's not a Hallmark holiday for when the spring market hits. So it looks like it might be creeping in. If you're considering selling or making a move, feel free to give the Spouses Selling Houses team a call, 224-650-7748. We'd be happy to chat to see how we might be able to help you make your best move.